Hey, Psych2Goers, do you get nervous before public speaking? Do you sometimes doubt your ability to succeed in something that you really want to do? If you answered yes, then this is the video for you. Confidence can be defined as a feeling of self-assurance arising from one's appreciation of their own abilities and qualities. But confidence doesn't just magically appear, something that's cultivated and nurtured over time through our thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors. This is especially true when it comes to doing things that scare us. Our confidence in these situations is directly related to what we say to ourselves, both out loud and in our heads. So how can we use this to our advantage? Well, by cultivating a positive self-talk. Positive self-talk is simply the act of saying nice things about yourself. However, it's more than just saying nice things. Positive self-talk is about replacing negative thoughts with positive ones and making sure that your inner dialogue is constructive and encouraging. Let's take a look at some ways to use positive self-talk to build confidence. No one replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Have you ever noticed how your mind can come up with some pretty harsh and critical thoughts, especially when you're about to do something that's challenging or intimidating? It's like there's this little voice inside your head that's rooting against you. It's telling you all the reasons why you're not going to succeed. Well, this is an example of negative self-talk, and it's something that everyone experiences. The good news is that you have the power to change this narrative. Instead of focusing on the negative, try to reframe your thoughts in a more positive light. For example, instead of thinking I'm so nervous, I'm going to mess up, try saying I'm feeling nervous. But I've prepared well, and I'm going to do my best. By consciously choosing to focus on the positive, you can create a more supportive and encouraging inner dialogue that will help you feel more confident in challenging situations. No. 2. Focus on your strengths. Another way to cultivate positive self-talk is by focusing on your strengths rather than your weaknesses. When you catch yourself focusing on your weaknesses, gently remind yourself of all the amazing things that you're good at. For example, if you're re-giving a presentation and you notice yourself thinking, I'm so bad at public speaking, try to redirect your thoughts to I'm really good at connecting with my audience. Or I'm knowledgeable about this topic and I'm excited to share it with others. By focusing on your strengths, you will feel more confident in your ability to succeed and be better equipped to handle any challenges that come your way. Remember, confidence doesn't grow overnight. It's like a muscle that needs to be worked out regularly. So make it a habit to focus on your strengths and downplay your weaknesses. Over time, you'll start to see a difference in how you feel about yourself and your abilities. No. 3. Use affirmations. Positive affirmations are a great tool for cultivating positive self-talk because they allow you to consciously choose to focus on the positive. An affirmation is simply a statement that you repeat to yourself in order to create a new belief or mindset. To use affirmations effectively, choose a statement that's positive and affirming, such as I am confident or I am capable, and repeat it to yourself regularly. You can say your affirmations out loud or in your head, but it's important to say them with conviction and emotion as if they're already true. At first, it may feel awkward or even fake to say these affirmations, but over time, the more you repeat them, the more you'll start to believe in them, and that's when the real magic happens. Your positive self-talk will start to take over your negative self-talk, and you will start to feel more confident in who you are and what you can accomplish. No. 4. Visualize success. Visualization is another powerful technique for cultivating positive self-talk because it allows you to mentally rehearse success. By visualizing yourself succeeding, you're sending a message to your brain that you believe in your ability to succeed. This can help you feel more confident and less anxious in challenging situations. To visualize success, close your eyes and imagine yourself successfully completing the task or challenge that you're facing. Visualize the positive outcomes and the feelings associated with that success. You can also visualize yourself overcoming obstacles and challenges that may arise, and how you would respond to them in a positive and constructive way. The more you visualize your success, the more confident you'll feel in your ability to achieve it. It's like you're training your mind to believe in your ability to succeed. And when your mind believes, your body follows. No. 5. Reward your progress. One of the best ways to cultivate positive self-talk is by rewarding your progress, no matter how small it may seem. When you reward yourself for your accomplishments, you're reinforcing positive behavior and creating a positive feedback loop. This can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals, which in turn can help you feel more confident in your ability to succeed. To reward yourself effectively, it's important to set realistic goals and celebrate when you achieve them. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant. A simple pat on the back or a treat at the end of the day can go a long way. By taking the time to reward your progress, you're sending a message to your brain that you appreciate your efforts, and that's worth repeating. 6. Surround yourself with positivity. The people you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your self-talk and overall confidence levels. That's why it's important to surround yourself with positive and supportive people who believe in you and your abilities. These people can act as a sounding board for your ideas and provide you with constructive feedback and encouragement. On the other hand, negative people can bring you down and make you doubt yourself. So it's important to distance yourself from those who don't support your goals and aspirations. Remember, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So choose your company wisely and surround yourself with those who inspire and uplift you. 7. Don't compare yourself to others. Comparing yourself to others is a surefire way to kill your confidence and create negative self-talk. Everyone is on their own journey, and comparing yourself to someone else's journey is not only unfair, but it's also inaccurate. You don't know what someone else has been through or what challenges they're facing, so it's important to focus on your own progress and celebrate your own accomplishments. Remember, you're not in competition with anyone but yourself, so strive to be the best version of yourself and let everyone else worry about themselves. Cultivating positive self-talk is essential for building confidence, but it's important to remember that it's a practice that requires patience and persistence. It's like building a muscle that needs to be worked out regularly. But the payoff is worth it. When you start to believe in yourself and your abilities, amazing things can happen. So try out these techniques and see what works best for you. And remember to be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. So have you tried any of these techniques to cultivate positive self-talk? Which one worked best for you? Share your experiences with us in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.